Hello everyone, my full name is Fidelia Ayesa Wiratama. You can call me Ayesa. I am 12 years old. I live on Babakan, Pangandaran. I'm from Middle L1. Today I will tell you how to part of speech. What is part of speech? Part of speech are categories of words that determine their function and a sentence. 8 main part of speech in English. Noun kata benda, pronoun kata ganti, verb kata kerja, adjective kata sifat, adverb kata keterangan, preposition kata depan, conjunction kata penghubung, interjection kata seru. Noun. A noun is a word used name a person, place, thing, or idea. Teacher, school, book. The example, she is teacher at a junior high school. Pronoun. A pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun. He, she, we. The example, she is very kind and beautiful. Verb. A verb is a word that shows an action, a state, or an occurrence. Play, eat, go. For the example, she runs every morning. Adjective. An adjective is a word that describes or gives more information about a noun or pronoun. Beautiful, handsome, and clean. For the example, my room is very clean. Adverb. The adverb is a word that describes or gives more information about a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. It tells what manner, time, place, and frequency. Always, sometimes, now, and here. The example, I sometimes sleep at 9 p.m. Preposition. A preposition is a word that shows the relationship between a noun, pronoun, and other words in a sentence, in, between, and across. In the example, the ball is in the box. Conjunction. A conjunction is a word that connects words, pairs, or clauses in a sentence, or but, both, and. Example, I usually drink tea mineral water in the morning. Interjection. An interjection is a word or phrase that expresses strong emotion or sudden feeling. Ouch, bravo, oh dear. Example, bravo, we won the game. That's all from me. Thank you. Bye-bye.